This stylish washing machine from Bosch is perfect if you want a high-quality model with amazing technology that makes laundry day effortless. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 9-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. With Bosch's intelligent iDos technology, a whole bottle of liquid detergent and softener is stored inside the machine. iDos automatically adds the right amount of detergent to your wash. This makes life easier because you only need to fill it up once a month. You don't need to store bulky bottles in your cupboards. And because you don't have to guess how much to use, you can save 11 litres of detergent a year, which is about £70 back in your pocket. This model can be remotely controlled using Bosch's Home Connect app from your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your washing cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without tending to the machine. If you're looking for a stylish washing machine that has amazing technology and time-saving features, this Bosch model is perfect for you.